Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the frame and mesh now. You do not wait. Cut two 24-inch pieces and two 24-inch cross pieces for a square base and cut four 24-inch side posts. Once done, attach the base with screws or marine glue because a solid skeleton prevents collapse. Make sure to stretch the 1-inch diamond mesh and staple or tie it to the frame. This controls lobster entry size. Next, mark and cut the funnel opening on one side. That is your first actionable trap feature. Once the frame and mesh are secure, you build the funnel and bait box. Form a 6-inch wide funnel with a 3-inch neck. Fold the mesh so the neck points inward at about a 30-degree angle because that angle stops exits but allows entry. Attach it firmly with stainless ties, then place a small bait box near the funnel center. You want accessibility without blocking the entrance. Make sure to hinge the bait box lid and add vent holes so scent disperses and bait stays put during soaking. You finish by sealing and testing the trap. Use marine glue on all seams and reinforce corners, then let cure. Once dry, attach two float clips and an 18-inch buoy line and mark your trap ID per local rules because compliance matters. Test the trap in shallow water, watch for gaps and exits. If lobsters escape, make the funnel neck smaller or add short inward pointing barbs. This increases retention. Finally, rinse fresh water and store, dry to prevent odor buildup and corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.